What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got a brand new video for you guys today, and if you haven't watched the last video taking delivery of Dan's S4, go ahead and click it, watch that video. Anyways, today I got the S4 right here with me, brought it over. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna give this thing a hand wash, clean it all up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys all the imperfections in the paint. Basically, we're gonna wet sand it, we're gonna cut it, and then we're gonna polish it, and then I'm gonna ceramic coat this car. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna show you guys all the imperfections after I get this thing washed. We got the car hand washed with dish soap. Got everything off, any grease, any wax from previous, any whatever. I'm gonna dry the car off now quickly, and I'm gonna show you guys the paint. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna show you guys what's going on with it. So you can see these drips here. You can see the drips in the clear coat. There's some imperfections in it, some dust, some little stuff, you know, all around. As you can tell, like down here, the clear coat is really dry all along down the car. It looks better on camera, but in person, you can tell how dry it is. Like, it's very foggy. Let's see the back door here. But it's pretty dry. It's like touching this feels like I'm touching an orange. Lots of orange peel. On this side here, looks like somebody tried to polish it, gave it some swirls. Here we got some more on the quarter panel here. I hope you guys can see that. So yeah, you can tell on the side of the door there's some drips and stuff. Some drips behind the door handles. It's all angle dependent. You can see that one there. So it's around the car, on the trunk. Got the same thing here. It's a very weird texture in the paint, but very dry. You can see that now. That's what I'm trying to show you guys the whole time here. Lots of orange peel. This thing is absolutely beautiful inside and out, as you guys seen in the last video. Alcantara, suede, whatever you want to call it, all the S4 seats, all the good stuff. Also gonna go ahead and give this car a full interior detail. Wipe down, vacuum. Can't really condition these seats because of the Alcantara too close, but they don't really need conditioning. But gonna go ahead, take care of everything, clean it right up, and get it all ready for him, man. Honestly, this thing's a beauty, so let's get to work. Oh yeah, ring device. All right, I think we should be good right around here. Put it in neutral, obviously hit the e-brake, put it in park, shut her down. All right, you guys, first step is I'm gonna start by removing these tail lights. I already took them out to inspect, but we're gonna go ahead, open those, loosen off these little 10 mils here. It's a little bracket here that holds these. There's a little bracket piece, and then disconnect the tail light. Put that 10 mil in my pocket. Anyways, and these lights should just pop out. And as they pop out here, you'll see there's a little lip on the corner. You take them, you lift it, and you pull it out. That's the little bracket. Put that in there, disconnect the tail light. And same thing, repeat. Lift it, tilt it, and it should just come right out. Just like that. That's your taillight assembly there. And now you're left with the trunk with no lights in it. Fingers crossed they have enough clear on this thing. Drips along the roof. Just a very poor prep job. Like you guys can see the drips along the edges here. Along the edges, a lot of drip. But yeah, you guys can see the dryness in the clear. It's not as glossy. All right, you guys, what is going on? Next day here. Already got the car partially sanded. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys right now. So started with the fender here, some drips, some orange peel. You can see it's cleaning up. Worked my way back down here. There were some drips here, some orange peel here on the quarter. Got the quarter taken care of there. Nothing too crazy. The trunk. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the trunk. The trunk, you can see the orange peel still there, but I'm hoping the compound will take it out. This side is could get a little bit more there. I don't want to go too much because I know this car doesn't have a lot of clear coat on it, but took care of most of the stuff here. You can see the rooftop here also had some pretty fat drips. Went ahead and took care of that as well. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna keep looking around the car, seeing wherever there's some heavier orange peel. I'm not too worried about the light orange peel. The compound I'm using is gonna take care of that. So it's coming along pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it's coming along pretty good, better than I expected for how bad this paint is, how poorly it was sprayed, I should say. It's coming along. Yeah, hopefully start polishing it today. Then we got that full interior to do here. It's gonna be a full vacuum, wipe down, all that stuff. Yeah, it'll be pretty nice once I'm done with it. But yeah, there was some drips here. Yeah, took care of all that. Beautiful day out here. We got the GS parked outside. Thing looks absolutely awesome. It needs a wash. It's absolutely filthy. And we got the Golf right here too, next to the garbage because it's junk anyway, so screw it. And then we got the Quattro right there. But yeah, S4's in the garage, getting stuff done. I'm gonna hit this again here, maybe with that 1500 again lightly. See if I could take care of that orange peel, and I'll update you guys. Leave a like, comment down below. The rear quarter panel here done. It's all good. Got the trunk done, rear bumper. That's the final results. Got this quarter panel done. Got the back door here. Looks good. Again, the roof. What is going on, you guys? A few days later here after working on the S4. We got the paint finally done. This thing looks absolutely amazing now. Paint's clean. Got this thing all finally cleaned up. It's looking way better than it was before. Got the back here all fixed up. Best it's gonna get. You know, put a lot of hours into this car. And just, it's what it is. I wish it was better. I wish it was nicer, but the previous owner decided to have a friend of his spray it, and that's the results, and that's what you get. Cheap is cheap at the end of the day, right? I went ahead and I gave the interior a quick wipe down vacuum. Looks absolutely way better. Got some dust on my lens. As you can tell, it looks way better inside now. Nice and clean. And got the GS right here. It's parked. Just chilling. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen my story where I baconed the fender here. I ended up straightening it out, fixing it all. So it's good now. It's really good. This thing needs a wash. It's absolutely disgusting, filthy, dirty. But yeah, GTI. But stay tuned, subscribe, leave a like, comment, let me know what you guys thought. Is this S4 clapped? Is it not clapped? I mean, the paint was pretty bad. You guys will see the before and after. It's super dusty here right now in my garage. It's brutal outside. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.